Plants and insects have been coexisting for more than 350 million years. During this time, they have developed a wide range of interactions. Some bugs use this kind of rolling leaf as their home. This is the case of the famous roll-leaf beetle. The beetles exploit this as their home and as their food source. Once the leaf grows and unrolls, the beetles move to a new rolled leaf. Here in the Las Cruces Biological Station in San Vito, Costa Rica, we have a wide variety of plant collection. Many of these species are exotic to Costa Rica and have started to colonize parts of the forest from the station. The beetles have had this relationship with the Zingiberales for as many as 60 million years. Given the option of native plants and non-native plants, how would them make a choice about where to live? Before we ask the beetles in Las Cruces, what is your preference between your homeland and foreign land?
If I had to answer the question if I'd rather live in a foreign land or in my own country, but I think throughout my life I would like to probably see different places, live in different areas, but for now I would like to live in the United States.
Would rather live in my home. Everything I love is there. I love the environment, the society, the people of Puerto Rico. I love how the island made me feel.
I would rather live in my native land than a foreign land because it's where I grew up, it's where I'm used to, it's where my friends and family live, and it's a place that I really enjoy being.
Research has been done on these beetles and their preference for their home. Just like the many humans prefer their native land, the beetles also prefer native species of plants. I guess they are simply cozier and more delicious than the new and strange plants. Given this reaction of native animals towards alien species, we should always be more cautious when introducing new species in the environment.